Hi everyone, it's Emilia here. Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to a new flower making video. Today I would like to show you how you can create Famuran poinsettias. Very easy to make, and these are super pretty. So I've got that arrangement here. I've got some poinsettias in the bucket. And also I have some which I'm going to use for my cards. So you can see there are slightly different colors, they've got different flower centers, but the way of making them is the same. You can use any stamens, you can use any colors. Today I will just show you how to assemble the flower. So for those, I am using Lady E Design, Poinsettia and Winter Leaves set. And you've got two flowers in the set. You can create a smaller one or a bigger one. Also, you can mix those petals, you know, for different look. For my flowers, I use two layers of the same size. So for the bigger one I use two bigger, for a small one two smaller. So this is 150 GSM paper. It's a artist paper, kind of watercolor paper, because we will be spraying the flowers with the water. So you just need to pick the paper which is not too heavyweight and the one which you can spray with the water. So two petals for one flower. I will create a smaller one. And you can color your flowers with inks, soft or oil pastels, and I will be using that Faber-Castell crayon. It's red cherry color. This is the beautiful red. I couldn't find a really nice red ink, that's why I'm using that. But this is pigment, so it's kind of similar to ink. So I will have a little bit on my sponge, and then I will go on my flower. And I start from the center and try to spread the color on the petals. I don't like to add a lot of color, just, you know, focusing on the center really. So I will do on both layers. More in the center, a little bit on the petals. Okay, and then I'm going to put my petals upside down and spray them lightly with the water. Just one spray, very little. Okay, then I will need some stamens. I have white stamens. These are heart shaped, the edges, and I've got one bigger which I want to put in my flower as well. So let me grab my scissors. I will cut one of those, and I will take about 4 white stamens. So I will have that ready. So after a few seconds my flowers are really soft, and I'm going just to grab the petals all together and kind of crunch the edges. Just actually the top of the petal. So bring them all together and kind of crunch, whatever, twist just the top of it. Okay, then I will need a little sponge and something to shape the petals, round tool, or I don't know what else you could do. But yeah, we are unfolding it now, so they kind of, you know, wrinkled. And then I will put it upside down on my sponge and press in the middle of each petal just once, like that. Then I turn it again and just press in the center. So this is my first layer ready. I have to stop for a second, excuse me. Sorry about that. That was my husband calling. So I've got another layer. Okay, I'm unfolding that. so we've got edges nice and wrinkled. And now again press once in the middle of each petal. Oh, this one need to repeat. Then turn it and press in the center. So we've got those 2 layers ready. I will need a little wire as well to help me put my stamens through, and something to make a hole in the center. Okay, so I will make a hole in both layers. Then I'm going to take my white stamens, bring them all together on one side, make them equal. Is that in focus? Oh, I'm not sure. Yeah. Then I will place a wire in the middle, fold my stamens and fold the wire so I can now push them all through my first layer. So it goes in the middle. Okay, and then I'm going to also add that red one just next to them. And I'm going to kind of take the petals down, because I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue just around those stamens. Oh, too much. And then I'm going to pull the stamens and kind of bring the petals up. So this is the first layer, and we do repeat like the process for the second layer. So we just try to put them all through the little hole in the middle. You just have to be more gentle than you are with foam yarn, because paper is not stretchy, but it's not difficult. So then I will add a little bit of glue between the layers and position my petals so they alternate with the top layer. Okay, then you can pull from the bottom, and that's it. I had a string of a glue here, I need to remove. That's better. So now we can trim that on the bottom, and you could sprinkle that with the glitter if you want, or leave it like that, then glitter it on the project, or do not add glitter at all, depends on how you like it. So that's it. Very, very simple flower to make and really nice. And yes, thank you for today. Thank you for visiting me and commenting under my videos. It's so nice of you. And if you would like, you can share that video with your friends and spread the love for flower making. Thanks a lot and have a lovely day. Bye!